What role does Indigenous knowledge play in valuing biodiversity? Imagine a world where every plant, animal, and landscape is seen as a part of a larger family. Indigenous communities have lived with nature for thousands of years, developing ways to understand and care for it. Their knowledge is based on close relationships and respect, not just scientific facts. This way of knowing offers a different view of biodiversity that many modern systems overlook. Indigenous knowledge emphasizes that humans are not separate from nature but part of it. Many indigenous cultures see ecosystems and species as relatives or sacred beings. This belief creates a moral duty to protect and preserve biodiversity for future generations. It's about maintaining balance and harmony, not just extracting resources for short-term gain. Indigenous peoples manage about 25% of the world's land, which contains a large share of the planet's biodiversity. Their traditional ecological knowledge includes detailed understanding of how species behave, how ecosystems work, and sustainable ways to harvest resources. For example, indigenous communities have used controlled burning to manage forests and prevent larger wildfires. They also have specific fishing and hunting practices that ensure species are not overexploited. These methods have been tested over centuries and often outperform some modern conservation techniques. Incorporating indigenous knowledge into biodiversity efforts means sharing power and decision-making with indigenous communities. Respecting their governance, cultural protocols, and data rights is essential. It's about working together in ways that honor their values and control over their knowledge. From an ethical point of view, valuing indigenous knowledge promotes fairness by giving voice to groups that have been historically excluded from environmental decisions. It broadens our understanding of what nature's worth is beyond just economic or scientific measures. When we include indigenous perspectives, we support more just and sustainable ways to care for the environment. Overall, indigenous knowledge plays a key role in how we value and protect biodiversity. It offers a holistic view rooted in respect, responsibility, and a sense of duty to future generations. By working with indigenous communities, we can create more effective and fair conservation practices that honor the deep connections between people and nature.